Now grab your cutting mat. You now have to cut notches into the leather. We do this to prevent the leather from bulking up and therefore making it difficult to securely adhere the insole to the outsole. To make the notches, this is my favorite method, but I will show you the process using a pair of scissors after this. Place one of the insoles with the right side facing down onto the cutting mat. Then cut little triangles, making sure that the side legs of the triangle meet at the second outline you made in a previous step. Now continue cutting out the triangles. Then, once done with this one, repeat on the other insole. Now, as previously mentioned, instead of using a craft knife, you can also cut the triangles using a pair of scissors. This is how you would do it. With the notches cut on both insoles, it is time to adhere. Make sure to apply the glue to both surfaces on the wrong side of the leather as well as the outer edge of the chipboard part of the insole. Then set aside until the glue sets. To make sure you don't have any flabby leather edges, use your thumb to push the leather flat against the insole edge and then over to lie against the chipboard. It should all be in one motion. Push against the edge and over. Push against the edge and over. To attach the upper strap, first create 2 double-sided rolls of painter's tape. Then attach them to the bottom of your doll's feet. Align the heel of the insole to the heel of the doll and press the right side of the insole to the bottom of the doll's foot. Repeat on the other side.